right now I'm recording the new texture Donald's Dreamland playground because I haven't gotten a video of it yet. It reminds me a lot of Twilight Terrace, especially with the hills.
Yeah, and if you're asking me, really needed this.
Yeah, it's really good. I just gotta go find the one tunnel that I was trying to look for. It's so funny, on the past two videos, I actually haven't been on my main tune at all. I've been on all my other tunes, so all of my videos have a different tune on them, which is actually pretty neat.
Your main is, I am assuming, is Lexington?
Yeah, Lexicon. Yeah, he's a deer. Oh, there's the tunnel.